Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. Imagine a world where life is not just a random accident in the cosmos, but a central player in the universe. A world where your consciousness does not just perceive reality, it helps create it. This is the captivating idea behind biocentrism, a theory proposed by scientist Dr. Robert Lanza. Today we are breaking down this revolutionary concept and its intriguing connection to quantum mechanics. So what is biocentrism? In short, it turns the traditional scientific story on its head. We are often taught that the physical universe came first and then life and consciousness somehow emerged from it. Biocentrism flips this. It proposes that life and consciousness are fundamental to the universe. In other words, the universe exists because we are here to observe it. It's a profound shift. Instead of consciousness being a product of the brain might be a product of a deeper conscious reality. This is where it gets interesting for physics students. Biocentrism finds a surprising partner in quantum mechanics. Think about the famous quantum principle of superposition, where a particle like an electron exists in multiple possible states at once. It's only when we measure or observe it that it picks a definite state. This seems to show that the act of observation is deeply tangled up with the physical outcome. Biocentrism takes this a step further, suggesting that this is not just a quark of tiny particles. It's a fundamental principle. The observer, us, is an active participant in shaping reality itself. Building on this, biocentrism makes another bold claim that time and space are not absolute external realities. Instead, they are the very tools our consciousness uses to interpret the world. Think of them not as a fixed stage, but as the operating system of the mind. This means life is not a brief blip on a vast cosmic timeline. It is the very mechanism through which the universe becomes aware of itself. What does this mean for us? Biocentrism encourages a very way of thinking across science and philosophy. It asks us to see ourselves not as passive observers of a pre-made cosmos, but as active participants in a living, conscious reality. This could open doors to a more holistic understanding of our place in existence. Of course, such a radical theory faces serious challenges. Critics rightly point out that while it's a compelling narrative, it currently lacks rigorous experimental proof. Many physicists argue that quantum effects are limited to the subatomic world and do not scale up to explain human consciousness. They view biocentrism as more of a philosophical framework than a testable scientific theory. In conclusion, biocentrism is not a finished idea. It's an invitation. It asks us to question our deepest assumptions about reality, life, and consciousness. Its dialogue with quantum mechanics, while controversial, adds a thrilling and thought-provoking chapter to our never-ending quest to understand the universe and our remarkable place within it. So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.